Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about fraction and type of fraction. In this video we will learn about fraction and type of fraction. First is fraction. So what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, for example, suppose I have a square and it has four equal parts: first part, second part, third part and fourth part. One part is shaded. If I ask what is the fraction of shaded portions, so how many shaded portion? 1 out of 4 है ना, because there are total 4 parts and out of 4 equal parts 1 parts are shaded. So fraction of shaded portion will be 1 by 4 because number of shaded part upon total parts, because number of shaded part is 1, so 1 by 4. Okay, in another question, what is the fraction of unshaded portion in this figure? So out of 4, 1, 2, 3 part is unshaded. The fraction of unshaded portion will be 3 by 4 in this figure. In another figure, it has 4 equal triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 3 triangles are shaded. So what is the fraction of shaded portion? The out of 4, 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So fraction will be 3 upon 4. Similarly, we can find the fraction of unshaded portion in this figure. The unshaded portion, only one triangle is unshaded. The unshaded portion, the fraction of unshaded portion will be 1 by 4. Okay, out of 4, 1 are unshaded. And next figure, in this figure there are 3 strips. Out of 3, 1 is shaded. So fraction of shaded strip will be 1 by 3, and fraction of unshaded strip is 2, total strip 3. So fraction of unshaded strip will be 2 by 3. Okay, and other definition of fraction is the number of the form a upon v, where a and v are nature number. For example, 3 upon 4, 3 is the nature number, 4 is the nature number, is the form of a upon v, है ना, are known as fraction. In a by v, a is called numerator and v is called denominator. So fraction is equal numerator upon denominator. For example, in 3 upon 4, 3 is called numerator and the value of denominator is 4. Yeah, 4 is called denominator. Okay na? Denominator never be 0. Okay, because in maths 1 by 0, 3 upon 0 is called undefined form, yeah, meaningless. So in mathematics we can never write 0 in denominator. This form is called undefined form. So in fraction denominator never be 0. Now we will discuss the type of fraction. First is decimal fraction. What is decimal fraction? A fraction whose denominator are 10, 100, 1000 and so on is called decimal fraction. So definition is a fraction whose denominator is any of number 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh is called decimal fraction. For example, 3 upon 10, because denominator is 10, so it is a decimal fraction. Another example, 27 upon 100. Similarly, denominator is 100, so it is also decimal fraction. Okay. Another example is 37 upon 1000, so it is also n decimal fraction, is a decimal fraction. Now second is vulgar fraction. What is vulgar fraction? A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000. Because if the denominator is 10, 1000, 100, then it is a decimal fraction, or 10, 100, 1000 is also a whole number. So denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, means 10, 100, 1000 नहीं होने चाहिए. Okay, it's called vulgar fraction. For example, 30 upon 20, 27 upon 109, 7 upon 135 are vulgar fraction. Okay, now next is proper fraction. It have already listened है ना, what is the proper fraction. Now we will discuss again what is the proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. So a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 3 upon 7, numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. Numerator is less than, so it is a proper fraction. Another example is 9 upon 13, and last example is 23 upon 14. In this example, 23 is numerator and denominator is 40, and 23 is less than 40, means numerator is less than denominator. So such type fraction is called proper fraction. In reverse is called improper fraction. So next is improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. A fraction whose numerator is more than या greater than है ना, more than or equal to its denominator. equal भी हो सकता है. होल नंबर क्या होते हैं? improper fraction. तो or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 11 upon 7. In first example, 11 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So see, 11 is greater than 7, so it is a improper. In reverse, if denominator is greater than numerator, then fraction will be proper fraction. Okay, in another example, 13 upon 9. 13 is greater than 9, means numerator is greater than denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Okay, and etc. Next is mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? A number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. A number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole 3 by 5. Another example, 4 whole 5 by 6. So it is the natural number and 3 upon 5 is a proper fraction. 4 is natural number, 5 upon 6 is a proper fraction. What was the definition? Definition is a fraction which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number. The 1 is the natural number or 3 upon 5 is the proper number. For example, 1 whole 3 upon 5 means 5 1 ja 5 or 3 8 upon 5. Now we will check the sum of natural number and root number. So 1 whole 3 by 5 equal to 1 means natural number plus proper fraction 3 upon 5. So after calculation, it is also is the 8 upon 5. So it is the mixed fraction. Okay, the combination, yeah, sum of a whole number and the proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay. Next is like fraction. What is like fraction? Fractions having same denominator is called like fraction. All fraction whose denominators are same is called like fraction. So fractions having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fraction. Okay, for example, 5 upon 14, 25 upon 14, 17 upon 14, 9 upon 14. In all fraction, denominators are same, equal to 14. If denominator of all fraction is equal, then fraction is called like fraction. If denominator are different, then we will say it is unlike fraction. So next is unlike. Okay, so unlike fraction, what will the definition? A fraction having different denominator. Okay, चलो दिखाते हैं. तो unlike fraction, fraction having different denominator are called unlike fraction. Okay, for example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 5 upon 13, etc. देखो in all fraction, first fraction denominator is 5, in second fraction denominator is 7 and third fraction denominator is 13. All denominators are different, so it is these are unlike fraction. Okay, next equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fraction? A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiply or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. अभी समझ में नहीं आया है ना, समझाते हैं. मीन्स क्या है इसका? कोई फ्रैक्शन है, सपोज आई हैव अ फ्रैक्शन 1/2. Now we want to write four equivalent fraction like equivalent fraction of 1/2. So how will you find? We will multiply in both numerator and denominator of same number. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So 2/4 is the equivalent fraction of 1/2. Another equivalent fraction of 1/2 is, now multiply by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So these are called equivalent fraction of 1/2. So definition of equivalent is a given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiply or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent. जीरो से मल्टीपल नहीं करेंगे, जीरो से मल्टीपल करने पर जीरो आ जाएगा है ना, तो नॉन जीरो नंबर होना चाहिए, नंबर शुड बी नॉन जीरो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3/5. Now suppose we will write the three equivalent fraction of 3/5. So first equivalent fraction of 3/5 will be multiply and divided by 2. Same number से multiple और same number से divide. So 3 2 is 6 and 5 2 is 10. The first equivalent number is 6/10. Similarly, now multiply and divided by 3. 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15. It is the second equivalent fraction. 3/5 multiply and divided by 4. So 12/20. So these are equivalent fraction. So I hope you have understood very well the fraction and type of fraction. Okay, in next video we will learn compare the two fraction and more than two fraction. In next video we will learn method of comparing more than two fraction and change the like fraction unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.